Okay, this is a profit and loss or pro forma video segment for an attended laundry. I recommend viewing the unattended profit and loss statements as well, especially the setup video, because I'm not going to cover setup in this particular video segment. I'm just going to cover some of the additional income and expenses that we have here. So just to jump right into it, on our profit and loss, again, I'm going to use this as a pro forma when I'm looking at a laundromat to purchase, and I'm also going to continue to use this as a profit and loss to show actual income and expenses for after I own the laundromat. So our first income box here is our commercial accounts, which would be for any drop laundry that we're doing for maybe a school. We have gym towels or something. We would enter our total sales there. Internet income would be if we have an internet cafe and we have some computer terminals that we're selling internet access or just access to the computer in general. We put those sales there. Coin laundry obviously is our washer and dryer sales, our totals there. Wash and fold is any walk-in retail wash and fold business that we do. Dry cleaning is the same thing, whether we are a drop-off site or we do our own dry cleaning. This is where we're going to put our total revenue there. Over-the-counter sales are going to be anything in addition that you sell, which you could break down into additional items if you wanted, but we sell laundry bags, laundry detergent, dryer sheets. There's certain things, if you have a tanning salon in there as well, there might be tanning lotions. Any of those products that you're selling are going to fall into the over-the-counter sales, and you can put totals there. Tanning package is pretty obvious, and vending machines are going to be our total vending income for all of our equipment, our vending equipment there. Dry cleaning expense, what we pay if we're a drop-off site, this is what we're paying our vendor to do our dry cleaning for us. Merchant account fees is for your Visa, MasterCard merchant account. Again, any expenses associated with buying the over-the-counter sales. So what our cost is on on the laundry bags and the detergents, we're going to enter that there when we purchase those products. And of course, when we purchase our vending products, we're going to put that cost there. Education, if you go to any seminars and you have to pay for it, that's where you would enter that. Advertising and promotion includes yellow page ads, postcards, door hangers, and even some in-store promotion. If you're giving away a bike or something, or a TV, or whatever the item is, that would be considered promotion. Automobile expense, maybe you have with your drop-off laundry, maybe you deliver as well, so there would be an automobile expense associated with that. Any business licenses. A cash drawer payout would be if somebody has a problem with a washer or dryer, your attendant's going to go to the cash drawer or the cash register, and they're going to do a payout to get that customer going in that washer or dryer. So they're going to make a payout there, and you're going to subtract that as an expense. Charitable contributions, computer and internet expenses would be if you are a Wi-Fi location or you have security cameras that are all web-based, you're going to be paying for that internet hookup. That's where that expense would be. Wash and fold supplies, that's simply any bags or detergent that you're purchasing. Dues and subscriptions might be magazine or a newspaper that's delivered daily. Insurance is your business owner's policy. You're going to have a separate tanning insurance policy and workman's comp for your employees. Interest expense, generally when you have a loan on a business, your principal payment, or your total payment, is broken down into part interest and part principal. Your principal portion is not considered an expense from an accounting perspective, so maybe you'll put your interest expense there. Some owners want to just see what the bottom line is with their total interest and principal payments, so usually that's what I do, and I enter that on the bottom of the sheet, which I'll show you in a moment. Janitorial expense might be any cleaning supplies that you're buying, any meals go there, or entertainment maybe if you're sending your employees someplace. Laundry supplies, miscellaneous expenses, anything that might fall into one of these categories here. Office supplies for your cash register, maybe a receipt tape or any write-up books or anything. Payroll expenses is pretty obvious. Postage. Professional fees might be an accountant or an attorney that works with you. Any discrepancies you can line up there. Sometimes you can use that box just to kind of round off the pennies. Your rent expense, laundry maintenance, tanning maintenance, and any other building repairs and maintenance can go there. Security would be for like an alarm on your property, small tools and equipment that you need to run your business, tanning supplies, telephone expense, your trash pickup. These are all your utilities right here. And this is where I enter my principal and interest payment as one as opposed to entering it there. So if I have 1, 2, or 3 loans, I can enter those numbers there. And it's going to give me a total expense and my total income. So hopefully I was able to explain quickly in the sheet some of these income and expenses. And thank you.